I was not connected for the first question. Can I know what's the answer? Can you scroll up once?
Actually, this is not in the syllabus right now. Okay, this is
Okay.
from the mole concept, and mole concept has been removed from 9th standard. We'll study that one. But first of all, we'll complete our syllabus, that is structure of atom, the last chapter. So first we will need to do the questions regarding to this chapter, because this chapter we have studied. So we need to,
Hmm.
okay. So do that
Yes,
one.
sir.
Question number 3. Chemical formula of nitrogen gas is
Sir, C.
C.
I
Check
think
it one.
so.
Chemical formula of nitrogen gas is, other students, it is B, N2. Note it down. This question also
Okay.
in your copy.
Yes, sir, darling.
Is there anyone who is writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Have you written question number 2? Every student in the class? Okay.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Next. The chemical symbol of sodium is
D.
D. The first 2 letter cannot be capital in any one.
Yeah.
If it has 2 letter, then first 2 letter should be
It's a
capital.
compound
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if it has 2 letters.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. The next one is question number 10.
Okay. Huh.
What should be the answer for question number 10?
So 1 second. Sir, C.
D. A change in the physical state can be brought about only when energy is given to the system.
No.
Only when energy is taken out from the system. Either energy is
No.
given or out of the system
Yeah.
without any energy in. Yes, C is the correct option. Either we need to give
Hmm.
the energy or we need to. Okay. Next is, which of the following represent the correct formula and name it? Which is question number 11? Note the question number 11 in your copy first.
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
How your means Prashita, how your other classes are going on? Chemistry, physics, and bio, and
So they are
mathematics.
good.
They are good now. Okay.
Yeah.
Note it down. Which of the following represent the correct chemical formula and name it?
Sir, I think A.
A. Why
I
you think
think
so? Why you think so?
because
you
the others, I don't know, but I have seen A.
you are choosing A.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, is it C?
Is it C?
I have seen C as well.
C as well. Okay, let me do this one in the copy. Okay. So here we have first is calcium chloride. What is the valency of calcium chloride? Calcium is 2 and chloride ion is 1. The correct formula of calcium chloride should be CaCl2. Okay. Understood that you have written in your copy? A option. So this is incorrect. But
Okay.
here the formula is written CaCl. Okay. So that is incorrect. So he's asking that which formula is correctly written. Okay. So first of all, this one. The next. That's fine. Okay, the next one is BI. So let it be because you have not studied the bismuth phosphate. You have not studied. So let it be. Okay. Check the formula of
Okay, sir.
Na, sodium sulfate, and sodium sulfide. So what should be the formula of sodium sulfate? Sodium is going to have one valency and sulfate ion is going to have two valency. So when you cross multiply, it will gives you Na2SO4. Understood? What it will gives you? Na2SO4. Okay, but what was
Yes,
written in
sir.
the book? It is NaSO4.
NaSO4.
So that is also incorrect.
Yeah.
The next one is sodium sulfide. The sodium is going to have valency 1 and sulfide ion is going to have valency 2. Cross multiply, you will get Na2S. But in book it is written as NaS. So if three are incorrect, then the fourth one will be or automatically become correct.
Okay.
So this B, this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. And this three you can check by using the formula or information that has been given to you or provided in your notes. Okay.
Yeah.
We have not given you the
Sir,
valency of
is the third, is the last one Na2S?
yes, Na2S. So write the
Okay.
correct formula also here. Na2S, Na2SO4, CaCl2. And this is the correct one. BiPO4 is bismuth phosphate is correct because both bismuth and
Okay.
phosphate has three valency. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Done. Everyone in the class,
Yeah.
write down the molecular formula of the compound and also calculate their molecular mass for the question number 12. Edit in this question, write down the molecular formula and calculate the molecular mass of the following compounds. Do this one. Question number 12, everybody. Are you writing everybody in the class?
Yes, sir.
Note it fast. Question number 12. If it is being written 2 here, what does it means? If it is being written here 2, okay, so what does it means? 2 here, this 2. So it means that here copper is going to have 2 valency. And bromide, you know, it is going to have 1. So you multiply, cross multiply, you will get CuBr2. Okay. So first of all, calculate, write down the molecular formula of each and every one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then only calculate the molecular mass of aluminium, calcium phosphate, iron sulfide, and magnesium acetate. Done? What is the formula of aluminum nitrate? What is the formula of aluminum nitrate? Tell me.
Sir, aluminium is Al3 plus
Valency is
3.
nitrate.
Nitrate is NO3 1.
1. Cross multiply. What you will get?
Al
Al2 or Al only?
Yeah, AlNO3.
AlNO3 whole thrice. Okay, and in bracket. Okay, this is aluminum nitrate. Okay, now calcium phosphate.
Ca3PO4.
Ca3PO4 only. Ca3PO4 only. It is incorrect. There is means it is having some silly mistake. Check it again.
Sir, in bracket 2.
Yes, it will be in bracket 2. Why? Because calcium is going to have valency 2 and PO4 is going to have valency 3. So when you
3.
cross multiply, you will get Ca3PO4 whole twice. Okay.
Yeah.
Iron sulfide. Iron sulfide.
Yeah. FES. I just remembered.
FES. But you have to check here, iron is using its 3 valency. When iron is going to have 2 and sulfide is also going to 2, then they will cross multiply, it will gives you FES. But here iron is using its 3 valency. Then what should be the formula? Tell me what should be its formula?
Unable to guess, sir.
This will be Fe2 and Fe3S2. Okay. What should be its formula? Fe.
Okay, sir.
Iron is 3 and iron is using sulfide is using its 2 valency. So you cross multiply, you will get Fe2S3. Okay, so formula for this one will be Fe3, sorry, Fe2S3. Fe2S3. 2S3. Note it down. Okay, note it down. Next, mercury chloride. Here it is being written mercury is going to have 2 valency. And what is the
Yeah.
formula for mercury?
Hg.
Yes, Hg. So note it down. Note it down. Iron sulfide. HgS. Sorry, mercury chloride is there. Mercury chloride.
Yeah, HgCl2.
HgCl2. Yes, Hg is going to have 2 valency.
Yeah.
Chloride ion is going to have 1 valency. So cross multiply will be HgCl2. Okay. Magnesium acetate. What is the formula for acetate ion? What is the valency? Acetate is actually
CH3
yeah.
CO.
Yes, CH3COO. Write down the formula of magnesium acetate.
Yeah. So it will become Mg in bracket CH3CO
Yes.
2.
CH3COO, and it has valency only 1. You
Yeah.
cross multiply these two, you will get MgCH3COO whole twice. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yeah.
Noted. Question number 13. Do question number 13. Write down the molecular formula of all the compound formed by the combination of these ions. So first of all, you have to write the formula of copper chloride, then copper sulfate, and then copper phosphate, then sodium chloride, sodium phosphate, and sodium sulfate. Okay. So here you will get 9 formulas. So write down all the 9 formulas. Write down all the 9 formulas. Who joined recently?
So me.
Ramaisa, where were you?
Sir, I was outside.
So why were you outside during the class time? This is a question. Why were you outside? Why
Sir,
were
my
you?
madrasa classes were going on.
Your mother?
Madrasa classes, sir.
Madrasa classes.
Just
Okay.
today because of an event.
Okay. Do question number 13. Write down the 9 formulas with copper chloride, copper sulfate, copper phosphate, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium phosphate, iron chloride, iron sulfate, iron phosphate. Write down all the formulas. Do this one. Done? Noted all the 9 formulas?
Sir, I cannot exactly like I am unable to do it.
Why?
Uh
Why you are unable to do this one? One is copper, another is sodium and iron. Copper with
yeah.
valency 2, sodium with valency 1, and iron with valency 3. And we have here we have either chloride with sulfate and phosphate. Okay. So what should be the formula of copper chloride? Copper with valency 1, na? Yes, copper
Yeah.
with valency 2. Yeah, it is correct. So tell me what should be the formula of copper chloride? Copper chloride. So you have Cu, valency 2, and chloride, valency 1. So formula should be CuCl2.
See it. Okay.
First one, the second one will be copper sulfate. So both are going to have 2 valency. So this
Yeah.
will be simple CuSO4. They will cancel.
CuSO4. Okay,
And
sir, understood.
the next one is copper and phosphate. So copper has valency
Sir, I
2.
I was just confused between the minus signs. That's it.
No. That minus sign and plus sign does not leave. So we have copper phosphate.
Okay.
Copper has valency 2 and phosphate ion has valency 3. They will cross multiply, you will get Cu3PO4 whole twice. Okay. So write down the other formula for
Okay, sir.
for the next 6. Okay. Done.
1
The
second,
next.
sir.
Why other students are not responding?
Yes, sir.
RS, Avni, Abdul Jabbar, Rumaisa.
Yes, sir.
Why are you not replying? Why are you not answering? Only Prashita is going to answer every question. You are also studying. What should be the formula of sodium and when chlorine meet together? What should be the formula?
So, NaCl,
NaCl. And when sodium and sulfate is going to meet?
Na2SO4,
Na2SO4. Very good. And
and the
this
last one Na3PO4.
Na3PO4. Why? Because Na is going to have valency 1 and
1,
phosphate is going to have valency
3.
3. You cross multiply, you will get Na3PO4.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, do it for the iron.
Done, sir.
Other students, Rumaisa, tell me the formula of iron and chlorine when made together. What should be the formula of iron chloride? Rumaisa, tell me, are you
Okay.
there? Yeah, wait a minute. Prashita.
Okay.
Rumaisa, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
What should be the formula for iron chloride?
I agree. FeCl3.
FeCl3. Yes, Abdul Jabbar, what should be the formula for iron sulfate?
Sir, iron sulfate
Hmm.
Fe2SO4 whole 3.
Very good. And yes, anybody in the class, what should be the formula of iron phosphate? Iron phosphate. Anybody?
Yes, sir. Fe3P,
Fe3,
in bracket PO4 3.
the
No,
whole 3.
when they are same, then we cancel out each other.
Oh,
Na?
yeah, yeah. So, FePO4.
Yes, they will cancel out FePO4 only. Okay. Very good. So they will cancel out each other. Now remember next question. Wait a minute. Okay. So we have done this one. Now do question number 14. Which of the following write the
Sir,
cations and anion?
how can you explain it like this with an example?
Which one? Question
How
number
to do
14.
this question? The 14th one.
Okay, 14th one. You need to find out that cation is positively charged and anion is negatively charged. So it's asking if there is anion and cation present. Okay, if there is anion and cation present, so write there write the cation and anion present, if any, in the following compounds. Yes. So this is CH3COO. So this is negatively one charge and Na is positively one charge. So this is the sodium cation. Sodium. Okay. And this one is anion. Okay. So
Yeah.
the one which is going to have positive charge is cation, and the one is negatively charged. So tell me in sodium chloride. Tell me in
Na
sodium.
is the cation and Cl is the anion.
Na positive, okay, is cation, and Cl minus is
Anion.
an ion. Very good. Next in H2.
H2 is a cation.
No, neither it is cation nor it is an ion, because it is a
Oh,
molecule.
neutral. Okay.
Okay, so it is written F if any. So no cation and ion. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
No cation and an ion.
Okay.
Next in this one.
NH4 is
NH4 is
the cation and NO3 is the anion.
Yes. Yes, Rumaisa, were you saying something?
yes, sir. NH4 is the cation and NO3 is the anion.
Yes, Abdul Jabbar, is it correct? NH4 is cation and NO3 is anion. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Avni,
Yes,
is
sir.
it correct? Okay. So this will be NH4 positive is cation, and NO3 minus is anion. Okay. Okay. Note this question. Have you noted this question in your copy?
Yes, sir.
Everybody in the class? Have you
Yes,
noted
sir.
this question in the copy? Okay. Next. Give the formula of the following compounds: calcium fluoride, hydrogen sulfur. Okay. Nitrogen and hydrogen means when calcium and fluorine are going to mix together, what kind of formula will it give you? Okay. So write down the formula of write down. Question number 2, question number 15. For example, let me do this any example. Hydrogen and sulfur. So hydrogen is going to have +1 valency, and sulfur means sulfide. It's talking about sulfide. Okay.
Mm.
So when they cross multiply together, they will form H2S.
H2S.
So this is we have done. So
Okay.
these all you have to do it by your own.
Hmm.
Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what's the formula of calcium fluoride, calcium and fluorine when mixed together?
CaF2.
CaF2. Very good. Because calcium is going to have 2 valency and fluorine is going to have 1 valency. So they will cross multiply each other and they will form CaF2. Okay. What's the formula of nitrogen and hydrogen?
NH3.
NH3. Yes, it is correct, because nitrogen has valency 3 and hydrogen has only 1. So you cross multiply these two, you will get NH3. This is correct, NH3. Yes, Abdul Jabbar, what's the formula of carbon and chlorine? Abdul Jabbar, what's the formula of carbon and chlorine?
Sir, what is carbon?
CaCl2 or Ca. Oh, sorry, carbon is Ca. What's the
C.
formula of calcium? Sorry, carbon and chlorine. Tell me, Abdul Jabbar. What's the
Calcium.
no, this one D.
Carbon. C.
What's the valency of carbon?
1,
Uh,
2.
4. And that of chlorine?
1. So
1.
CCl4.
CCl4.
CCl4. What's the formula for carbon and oxygen?
Sorry, sir.
What's the formula for carbon and oxygen?
Na2O.
Na, carbon and
2O.
oxygen. You are talking about sodium and oxygen. Okay.
Oh.
Sodium. What's the formula for sodium and oxygen?
Na2O.
Na2O. Why Na2O?
Because oxygen valency is 2, Na is 1.
Yes. Because sodium has valency 1 and oxygen has valency 2. You cross multiply these two,
Carbon
you get
oxide, carbon oxide will be CO4.
carbon oxide. No, carbon and oxygen.
That's
Carbon
what
has
you had
valency
asked.
4. Yeah.
Yeah.
Carbon has
And
oxygen.
oxygen is 2. Oh, sorry.
So
Yeah,
C-
C2O4.
CO2.
when they have a number which can be divided by each, okay, so we can cut them. Okay, we'll get 1 and 2. Okay, so this will be CO2.
Oh,
This is very common that we use
Mm.
carbon dioxide.
okay, sir.
Done? You understood?
Yeah.
You got this one? Okay. So everybody in the class have noted this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Abdul Jabbar, I will check your copy after the class whether you have written or not. Okay. Everyone, is there any student who is taking the screenshot? Is there any students who is taking the screenshot? Not writing the answer properly in the copy? Yes, you, Abdul Jabbar, are you writing? And Aris, are you taking the
Yes, sir.
screenshot or writing in the copy?
Sir, I am
And where
ready.
is, and where is Ridwan today? Ridwan is absent. Okay, so what is the which of the following symbols represent the incorrect formula for the compound? So is it correct or incorrect? Cobalt. Tell me, is it correct or incorrect? Nobody is answering. Rishita, are you there?
Yeah. It's correct.
So you don't know the answer. That's why everyone is correct. Cobalt is actually CO, but here it is a mistake here that
Yeah.
Sir, a
there
small
should
It
not.
should be a small 0.
Yes.
Sorry.
O.
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 Yeah, O.
Okay. And this one? Is
This
it
is
Carbon
correct?
correct.
capital
Yes, it is
It's
also
correct.
incorrect.
incorrect.
It's
Oh,
C.
yeah, the
It's
big C.
yeah, capital C. Here,
Hmm. The third one is wrong because the L should be small.
yes, it should be small l.
D is correct and sodium is wrong because the formula is Na.
Very good. Sodium formula is Na. Very good. So now you understood this one, everybody in the class. Now next, give the molecular formula of the compound and compute the ratio of mass. Okay, and compute the ratio by mass of the combining element in of them. Okay, so ratio by mass we need to calculate. Okay, so if we have ammonia, what is the formula of ammonia that we have written in the copy also? Some element don't behave like we have sodium hydrogen and sodium hydride. Every formula cannot be written like this. We have written that some formula have their common name and they are commonly known for their names also. Okay, so ammonia is a NH3. Okay, ammonia is
Okay.
NH3. Like we have written sulfuric acid. So what is sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay,
Yeah.
so we have written this one in the table. Acetic acid is CH3COH. Okay, or it is also called ethanoic acid. So we have written some names, commonly used element that are commonly used and with their common names. So ammonia is very important. because ammonia is always used as common name and then it is NH3. Otherwise, its name is nitrogen hydride. Okay. Here we are using nitrogen as 3 valency and hydrogen is we are using as 1. So we cross multiply, we'll get NH3. Okay. Understood? Now this carbon monoxide, formula for carbon monoxide. Formula for carbon monoxide, C and O. If we write C in small o, then it is cobalt. Okay. So this is carbon. If it is carbon dioxide, this is CO2. Okay. This is carbon dioxide. Okay.
Yeah,
Who
because
left the
the
class
two,
15 minutes
two.
earlier? Let me check. Who left the class? Who dared to left the class? I know she left. Let's wait for one or 2 minutes so that if she join, otherwise. Okay. Next, aluminium fluoride. Aluminium fluoride. Formula for aluminium fluoride.
Um,
Tell me. Aluminium fluoride. What's the valency of aluminium? Other students, why are not answering? What's the valency of aluminium?
Well, this is in the textbook. All of this.
Aluminium is 3. And what is fluorine?
Sir, AIF3.
Okay. AIF3. Yes, it is correct. AIF3. Cross multiply. Sorry, AI ni ALF3. Okay, aluminium fluoride. Now magnesium sulfide.
AI2 bracket SO4.
Sulfide. It is on not sulfate. It is sulfide.
Mg. Sir, for
Yes.
magnesium sulfide, it's Mg2S2.
Mg2S2. What is magnesium is 2 and sulfide is also 2. They will cancel out each other. What's the formula? MgS.
MgS.
You understood? Rishita? You understood?
yes, sir.
What's the formula of hydrogen chloride?
HCl.
HCl. Very good. Because both are going to have 1 valency. Okay. Now it is asking that calculate the ratio of mass ratio of compound of means with what ratio is being required when we are just forming this compound. Okay. So what we are going to have ammonia, carbon monoxide. Okay. HCl, and then we have this one and this one. Okay. Let's take fluoride. Okay. So let's do this one. Okay. So if I talk about this one, this is HCl. Okay, hydrogen chloride. So first, if we need to calculate the ratio. So what's the ratio? H2 plus Cl2 and react together, they will form HCl to HCl. You cannot write like this way. Like H plus Cl gives you HCl. Don't write like this way. Okay. So what is the mass of 2 hydrogen atoms? 2 grams. What's the mass of 1 chlorine atom is? 1 chlorine atom is? Tell me. Tell me. One chlorine atom has mass 35.5. So two chlorine atoms are going to have 71 gram mass. Okay. Okay. And they will form two molecule of HCl. That would be what? It will give you 70, 71, 72. Sorry, 73 grams of HCl. So HCl is it is going to have one mass and it is going to have 35.5 mass. So it will be 36.5. So and because they are two, so 36 multiplied by 2, you will get 72, 73. Okay, 73. You can add these two. Okay, what's the ratio? What's the ratio? Tell me. What's the ratio of so the ratio here is 2:71:73. Okay. What's the ratio? 2:, or you can take the ratio 1:1 gram of hydrogen will be required with 35.5 grams of chlorine. Okay. Understood? In case of HCl. What's the ratio in case of carbon monoxide? Carbon and monoxide oxygen atoms will react together, will gives you 2CO. Okay, 2CO. Or you can write here that carbon is going to have the total mass of carbon is 12 and that of oxygen required is O. O is 16. So what is the simplest ratio? 3:4. Okay. In carbon monoxide, the percentage ratio is by mass is because we have one carbon atoms and one oxygen atom. So mass of one carbon atom is 12. One mass of one oxygen atom is 16. You cut it, you will get 4. Sorry, you cut it by 4, you will get 3:4 ratio. Okay. Similarly, HCl, H is 1 and it is 35.5 chlorine atoms. So they are already in simplest ratio. 1:35. Okay. Why are you not answering? Hello. Is I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why are you not answering? Next one was, we have done carbon monoxide. The ratio of carbon monoxide mass to is 3:4. Okay, we have done HCl. Its ratio is 1:35.5. Okay, next compound was, what was the next compound? What was the next compound? Tell me. The next compound was ammonia and then magnesium sulfide. Ammonia and magnesium sulfide. Okay, ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. So ammonia has what mass? 14 and 3 hydrogen atom has 3. The ratio is 14:3 because 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. So 3 hydrogen atoms in together have, because 1 hydrogen atom mass is 1 gram. So the mass of 3 hydrogen atom will be 3. So, and 1 nitrogen atom mass is 14. The ratio is 14:3. You understood? Because we cannot further simplify this one. Okay. You got this one?
Yes, sir.
Next is aluminium fluoride. Aluminium. So fluorine is going to have mass. What is the mass of fluorine? Mass of fluorine is 19. What is the mass of fluorine? 19. Okay. So we have aluminium fluoride, AlF3. So aluminium has mass 27. And since 19 is the mass of one fluorine atom, so we multiply it by 3. You will get 57.
Okay.
27:57 is the ratio for this one. Okay. In
Okay.
AlF3. In AlF3. So in carbon monoxide, we have ratio 3:4. In HCl, we have 1:35.5. In ammonia, we have 14:3. In aluminium fluoride, we have aluminium mass is 27. And that of fluorine 3 atom will be 57. So you don't have the common number from which they can cut. Yes, they can cut. They can cut by 3. So you can cut it by 3. You will get 9:19. Okay. Understood? So the simplest ratio will be 9:19. Okay, you got it? Everybody
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes.
Next is magnesium sulfide. Magnesium sulfide. What is the mass of magnesium? Tell me. You need to calculate this by your own. Magnesium sulfide. What is the simplest ratio of magnesium sulfide? Because there is magnesium sulfide formula is MgS, only one magnesium, one sulfide atom. So what is the ratio? The mass of magnesium is? What is the mass of magnesium? 24. And that of sulfur atom?
32.
32. You cut it by 8?
3:4.
3:4.
3:4. Very good. Next. State the number of atoms present in the chemical species. Question number 18. In carbonate atoms, how many atoms are there? 4. 1 carbon and 3 oxygens. This is charge only. Okay. So 1 carbon and 3 oxygen atoms combined together, they form 4 oxygen atoms. Understood? How many atoms are there in this phosphate ion?
4 oxygen atom.
It is 4. In total, 4 oxygen and 1 phosphorus. That will be 5. Total 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Here. In P2O5. It is 7. Okay. And it is 2. But it is not asking only that how many or type. It is also asking that name the atoms. So which atoms are present? In here we have carbon. Number of atom present in each of the following species. So number, it is asking only number. It is 5, sorry, 4. Asking 4. Then here we have 5. Here we have 7, and we have 2. Okay, understood? Understood, everybody in the class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what should be the answer for question number 22? You have been sugar or salt. Without tasting, you need to tell me that. Okay, let it be. You can easily find out. What is the prefix for this one? What is the prefix for each of the following multiple and submultiple units? 10 raised to the power 3 means kilo. Okay. 10 raised to the power minus 1 means? Tell me. 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power minus 6, 10 raised to the power minus 12, 10 so this is. This is picometer. This is nanometer. This is micrometer. Let it be. It's not so important. So dear students, are you feeling some confidence? Are you means do you think that you will be able to write the answers, correct answer for the formula that if it is being asked in the examination, will you be able to do that one? Are you having some confidence? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
do you feel that you will be